Well, hello YouTube. It's been a while since I created my new channel here and put any videos up. In fact, the last time I was out here in the shop was that pen video I was making, which was way before Christmas time. And there's been pretty much two reasons why I haven't been out here working. One, as we look at the old thermometer here, that says it's about 6 to 7 degrees, which is about right. It's about 5 degrees outside according to the outside thermometer. And for your European guy, that's about minus 11 degrees. It's just cold as hell out here, and this building doesn't have a whole lot of insulation. It basically has a little fiberglass wrap they put around it before they put the sheet metal on. But when it gets down this cold, it's unbearable. I'm out here in gloves in my winter jacket right now because it's so cold. The only nice thing about it is it gets you out of the wind and not dealing with windshield factor. With that figure, it's probably about 10 below outside Fahrenheit. Not sure what that would be for you European guys that use that other system. I do have this heater out here, but guys, when it's this cold, I'm going through propane like it's going out of style. It's not even worth it to fire that up when it's this cold. And another reason why I just haven't been out here is I just don't even have any really paying gigs, side jobs right now to even bother coming out here. I mean, I still got this thing to do yet. This thing will start in February when it's warmer. This is for a family member anyway, so that's whenever I get it done anyhow. But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick little update. One of the woes of living in a cold climate. My plan was to insulate this, but that was only if I had any paying jobs going on, and right now I just don't have any paying jobs going on. Sadly to say, but you know, this is just a side business for me anyways. This isn't what's paying the bills anyhow, so I do have quite a few personal projects I do need to get done at some point, but I'm not going to come out here and work in this kind of weather and go through tank upon tank of propane just to do anything. We need the weather to get back up to around 32 degrees, and then it's really easy to heat this place with this little propane torpedo. I mean, I can get it 80 degrees in here with that in a pretty short time. But not when it's like this. Plus, another thing I'm always worried about is when you're inside of a metal building, you heat it up that warm, and it's as cold as it is outside, you're going to get condensation. And I don't know if the insulation they have on here is enough to stop that evaporation process from happening or not. And I'd just rather not chance it at this point until I get it all insulated. But that's just a quick little update. I do have a few more videos from making those pens that I can post. I mean, they're not the most exciting videos, but it's content to put up. But as soon as January is done here, all this sub-zero crap should be done with. I'm here in southeastern Wisconsin, so this is just the facts of life of living here. And until I can afford to insulate this, it's what I have to deal with in the winter here. But see you next time.